Sierra Hotel One Tango set Sunday, and today's Sierra Hotel One Tango set is the Lucas ACB888 distributed from Lucas Auto Factors. And there's Mr. Chippie, Tango 21 receiving you and about to turn the tannoy down. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie receiving over.
On the main road.
Okay, roger on that. So what's this awful ticking from bleed over?
Right, passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger. Oh, now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, just going over the top of the hill as we descending towards Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. So we've got this ticking which is rhythmic. It makes me think it's picking up radar interference from RAF Cranwell about 4 miles away. Some sets do when they've got poor selectivity on the receive, and these sets were notoriously bad on receive for bleed over.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, going around Scratchy Corner upwards. Over.
Roger, I'm getting you going round Scratchy Corner fine over.
Roger.
Oh, that was one bit which worked out.
Right, just going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger, I have you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, I've got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger on that, I've got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger, I've got you going over Rossby level crossing, and that concludes the test, thank you. Okay, are you going to do some shopping? Oh yeah, so it will, it's Sunday. Okay, I'll see you back at Tango Towers then. Okay, so it's going to sit there ticking. We live here, there's only 4.5 miles between here and RAF Cranwell. And some radios are susceptible to picking up the radar, which this sounds like it is doing, in the form of bleed over. And if you turn the squelch down, to be honest, there's not a lot on. So yeah, I don't rate them, and that's why we featured it on Sierra Hotel One Tango set Sunday. It was doing 3.6 watts, and I think they've got good audio. But if you're in a situation where you wanted something just round a farmyard, and you're only wanting that 1.5 mile range, something where you're going to crank the squelch up to full, and these kind of sets do work, because there really are situations when people want CB, which is really low range. And some of the farms that I've supplied equipment to in the past have wanted the lowest range base areas that they can possibly do. And Les Wallen Manufacturing do a 27 meg paging antenna, which is only about maximum of 1.5 miles range. And we sold no end of those because that's what the farmers want. They want 1.5 miles range just to talk to members of staff who are working in that immediate area. And then they're not getting interference from the Burning Brigade at Nottingham and so on. So some low range sets work well. We've done the 6 miles, but I wouldn't want to listen to that ticking all day if I was using it as a base station here. But I'm sure it's fine in a vehicle. Time hasn't helped with these front panels. They're all the same. I think they were brown originally, and the brown's just faded away. So it's a disappointment, that. But there you are. They were relative cheap set. They were trade fit only, with Lucas being trade automotive parts suppliers. So there you are. I hope you enjoyed looking at that. We'll just go over to my base station, because rumour has it these sound quite good.
Into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Thank you for watching.